Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a transforming ninja star. So we have our ninja star from the other video, but now we'll need to make the real ninja star. We'll need to do the same steps, but if you forgot, don't worry. You can follow along. Practice with white paper first. It's really hard folding. Oh, wow. We did it. Let's do another. You repeat a lot of steps. We keep on making this Z shape right here. Now we're gonna open this one up, and instead we're gonna put the green. First, turn it back into the Z shape. Otherwise, it'll be very confusing. Right here. Perfect. Got it. Let that be there. Now, take a real blue. Now we'll just need to start all over again. And we put that one right here. And it's going to be trickier on the other side. But we got our green. Let's put it right here. Up there. Then we put that one right there. This. And then goes there. Place it. And we can transform it. And here we have got it. Our transforming 2 ninja stars. It looks like they're taped together actually. It's all about the folding. You can even throw it in this kind of way.